Hi class 2. So welcome back after the unit test. I think all of you have given the exam properly. One thing I want to say that many of them have done some mistakes in the exam which I have noticed. That is more or less in the question answers part, meaning part, more or less you have written correctly, and poem also you have written correctly, but some of them have not given the punctuations. Okay, punctuations means the comma, full stop, whatever is there, you have to follow the punctuations also. Okay, so this time I have not cut any marks for punctuations, but from next time onwards I am going to cut marks, okay, if you don't give the punctuations properly. And handwriting, I have asked you to do the cursive handwriting. In the class I have mentioned that you have to write the cursive handwriting, and during the examination also in the question the cursive word was missing. That's why in the telegram group also I have sent you the message that please write it in cursive. Okay, most of them have written cursive, but few students I have seen that they have not written the capital letter and the small letter A to Z alphabets. You have written in normal way, not in cursive handwriting. Okay, so please practice your handwriting. Some of them's handwriting is very bad. Okay, please practice it. Okay, so now you know that before the unit test we have already started this chapter number 4. I was walking down the road. Okay, I've explained the chapter and we have also done the exercises, back exercises. So today I'm going to give you the question and answers. Okay, so let me discuss the answers with you one time and then you will write it in the copy. Okay, I will send you in the telegram group. From there you write it in the copy. First write down the meanings in the copy, then you will write down the question and answers. Okay, so the first question, you see the page number 55. Okay, please open the page number 55. Here reference to the context questions are there. I was looking at the sky, then I saw a butterfly. When did the girl see the butterfly? Okay, so the answer is when the girl was looking at the sky, she saw the butterfly. Okay, when the girl was looking at the sky, she saw the butterfly. Now the next question, where did she put the butterfly? She put the butterfly in a cage. Is it clear? Where did she put the butterfly? She put the butterfly in a cage. Then next question, the word sky and butterfly, they are rhyming words. No, sky, fly, butterfly. Write two more rhyming pairs. Now another two more rhyming pairs you need to write. So I have found out two more rhyming pairs. You can also write your own choice from the text. Okay, I have written two more rhyming pairs are rug and bug. R-U-G rug, B-U-G bug. Another two rhyming words are male and snail. M-A-I-L, male, S-N-A-I-L, snail. Question number 4. I was looking at my pets. Then I saw them look at me. How many pets did the girl have? The girl has 7 pets. Okay, the girl has 7 pets. Do you think the pets looked happy? What do you think? The pets looked happy? No, they were not happy. They were sad. If you put animals inside the cage, will they look happy? No. They were very sad. Okay, so the answer is I think the pets were not happy. Okay, or you can write the I think the pets were very sad. Okay, how did the girl feel when she looked at her pets? This is question number C. How did the girl feel? What was the feeling going inside the girl? You know that the girl, when she saw the pets locked in the cage and when she was sitting and observing them, she made them free to go away. Why? Because she felt very bad. She felt very sad for them. She felt pity. Okay, so the answer is the girl felt pity for her pets when she looked at them. Again, I am saying the girl felt pity for her pets when she looked at them. Now the next question answers part is read, reflect and write. Turn to page number 56. Here read, reflect, write. Why do you think the girl put all the animals in cages? Why the girl put all the animals in cages? Answer is, the girl put all the animals in cages because she loves animals very much and wants to keep them as her pet animals. Because we can see that she loves animals, no? That's why she is moving here and there. Wherever she is getting the animals, she is bringing to her home, and she is putting it in a cage. And so that's why she loves animals and she wants to keep them as pet animals. That's why she put them in the cage. Now the last question, question number 6. Look at the last picture of the girl. What is she doing in this picture? Now all of you can see this picture. In this last picture, what you can see in this last picture? You can see that the girl is sitting on the chair and she is observing all the pet animals. Okay, she is observing all the pet animals here. So the answer is, in the last picture we can see the girl sitting on a chair and noticing the different animals in their cages. Okay, so we can see the girl is sitting on the chair and she is noticing the different animals in their cages. Okay, so bye students, all of you please write down this question and answers in your copy, and in next class we shall start a new chapter. Bye everyone.